Assalamu alaikum viewers. This is your host Sayyid Abid Hussaini from your favorite channel HB Academy for Professional and Personal Development. As you know that we are having a series of videos for self confidence. We have had our 3 videos in connection with the same topic. If you remember, the first one was recognize your strength. Number 2 was believe in yourself. Number 3 was that no one is perfect. So, after these 3 videos, today we are going to touch the new point which is related to self confidence, and that is which we most of the time miss, and most of the time we go against the norms, and that is not accepting the compliments. If somebody is complimenting you, people normally react wrongly. So the next point of discussion is that you have to learn how to accept the compliments. If somebody is praising you, if somebody is giving you good words, so you need to behave properly. Normally it is seen that if somebody is complimenting you, people they just try to react onto that, and they try to answer immediately. That if somebody says that you are doing very well, so the response is that you are also doing very well. Somebody says that, oh, you are looking sharp today, so quickly somebody replies that no, you are also looking fine. So in fact, there is no need to create a battle of compliments. If somebody is complimenting you, you have to accept the compliment gracefully. And this is what is the case. You need to learn that how to accept the compliments. If somebody at times praising you, at some point of time somebody is complimenting you, you need to listen to him or listen to her. Let them complete, let them say whatever they want to say, and gracefully accept that compliment. Thank them. This is what is the proper way. The other way of dealing in such a scenario, when somebody is really complimenting you, in the rational way, if I could explain to you, is that you have to count at least 3 to 5 by yourself if somebody is complimenting you. So just in order to hold yourself, you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least 3 to 5 you have to count before you respond. Then what you can do is you can just say thank you, and then you have to say in a very graceful manner. Connect with the feeling of success. Remember, if somebody is complimenting you, means you are having good feelings. So always try to cheer up. You have to show that you are taking the compliments from the other person positively, and practice this attitude of gratitude. If somebody is praising you, so you have to be grateful, you have to be thankful. And this is what one has to do, because we miss on this many a times in our daily life. If somebody is praising us, if somebody is complimenting us, we either underestimate it or we quickly respond, and we try to kind of devalue, if somebody is complimenting. So the best way is to accept the compliment with the gratitude, with the gratefulness, and that is the way it will increase your own self confidence level. So this was a 2 cent on the self confidence, one of the element which can help in building up self confidence. So viewers, please keep watching our favorite channel HB Academy for personal and professional development. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.